Hey guys, it's DK Biker. Today I'll be showing you my bike check. Won't be doing a little BMX video because it's raining out. I hope to get you guys one soon. And here's the bike check. First, I got the plastic animal blue Barnes with Primo grips, purple. Pink Wolf bars, Sabrosa hold on tight front load stem, headset, DK Cincinnati stock forks, stock rim, stock hub, Shadow Conspiracy Undertaker tire. They're the white walls and they're 2.25. For the frame, I have the DK Cincinnati stock, the cranks, bottom bracket, a chain wheel, chain, and pedals are all stock. Soon I'll be getting me white pedals and hopefully purple cranks and a Spanish sealed bottom bracket. Next I have a Redline seat post, a plastic DK seat. It's really light. In the back I have DK Cincinnati stock hub. It's very loud, 9-tooth. Same in the back, same rim, spokes, and same tire. My hub, I believe, is probably about to blow, but I'm just gonna wait until it blows. It's semi-sealed, so you know it's a rare DK hub. If I can get this out, show you guys. Semi-sealed. Bearings are not about to blow. I think it's my bottom bracket, but I'm just being on the alert. Hold on. There. Alright guys, that's my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be getting you a BMX edit here soon.